and I'm humbled by these great personalities, and everyone is more learned than I am. I'm not a PhD, I'm not even a master's, so they are definitely more learned than I am. I joke with my daughter that she's more learned than I am because she's done a master's and I have not. So one comes and learns. My first exposure to Dr. Mushtaq and what probably endeared him to me was his criticism, which you've also noted today, that he has criticized me that there is not enough on Islam mentioned on the Supreme Court website in Islamic injunctions. I'll try to endeavor to correct that. Universities and centers of learning are places where people imbibe knowledge, analyze it, critique it, question their masters and teachers. Obedience per se is not in a place of center of learning. So questioning and learning from them is, the more you question, the more you learn. And if your teacher says something, and generally many people in Pakistan nowadays do not admire this Islamic trait, which was to challenge a learned person. Now it is considered that the gustakh hai. This man is disobedient. So, and he suffers as a consequence of it. But probably that's the reason which endeared me to Dr. Mushtaq Ahmed, for his correcting me, challenging me, and telling me when I'm wrong, I'm wrong. And I would not accept it lying down. I would also come back. But the better man always prevailed, and invariably it was Dr. Mushtaq.